Today I'm going to show you how to make decadent cream cheese fudge using just these 5 ingredients. I can't even talk, I'm so excited. So we've got butter, which I've had out the fridge softening for a little bit. I'm using stevia, but you can use your sugar or sweetener of choice. I'm using just a bit of cream, and we're going to melt this whole block of chocolate that I got from Aldi. And of course, cream cheese fudge needs cream cheese. So again, from Aldi. I love my Aldi. I've got a whole little tub of cream cheese, and we're going to mix it all together and make a lovely decadent fudge. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions which you can click through for. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try and what next sweet treat you'd like me to concoct next for you. So we're going to start by melting the chocolate with just a couple of tablespoons of cream. So I've just roughly broken up the whole 100-gram block of chocolate, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cream. It just kind of stops it from sticking and just helps it all get nice and creamy. And I'm just going to pop it on the stove top. You could do it in the microwave if you want instead, and just melt it. So if you do it in the microwave, do it 30 seconds at a time till it's melted. You could do it over a double boiler, or just do it as I'm doing and pop it straight in a saucepan. Pop it over low medium heat and just keep it going until it's nice and melted and creamy. So it took barely a minute, and the chocolate is nice and melty and just beautiful and ready to turn into fudge. So I'm going to set it aside with its little stand, and now we'll see to all of the cream cheese mixture. So in my bowl here I've got the butter, and we're going to add the whole tub of cream cheese to it, and 1/4 cup of stevia, your sweetener of choice, sugar, whatever you like. And now we'll just whisk it all together. So I'm using my electric beater to just whisk it until we've got a nice smooth creamy mixture. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now we'll just whisk in the chocolate. So we'll add in the beautiful melted chocolate, and we'll whisk it in until it's creamy. Okay, that's beautiful. And now I'm going to move it into a dish to pop into the fridge and harden up. So I've got a little container, glass container here that I've lined with well-greased baking paper. It'll just make it so much easier to take the fudge out once it's done in the fridge. So I'm just going to pop it all in. Okay, all the fudge is in the dish as neatly as I could get it, and now I'm just going to pop it into the fridge for a few hours to set and to thicken and to become beautiful fudge, and I will show you once it's done. And the fudge has been in the fridge for a few hours, so it's nice and hardened up. We can take it out. Oh, look at that! And I'm going to cut it into pieces and pop it onto a plate. So I've chopped the fudge into bite-sized pieces. You can see it's beautiful and dense and creamy and kind of tastes like a chocolate cheesecake, but just super easy to make, quick and just amazing. But remember, the full recipe will be down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this fudge a try and what you think of it. Just look at it from every angle. It's so yum, such an amazing sweet treat. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.